In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your Gmail name. You can simply change your Google account name. To do this, simply open up your Gmail app. On this page, tap on the three lines on your upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down onto the option of Settings. On the Settings page, tap right here on this first option. Then head into the option of your Info, Privacy, and Security. Slide onto the option of Personal Info. Select on the option of Name. Tap on the edit icon and choose any name of your own choice. Tap on the Save button and your Gmail name would get changed successfully. You can also decide to select a nickname if you wish to. That's how easy it is to change your Google account name. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.